Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by opening Settings and navigating straight to Lock Screen or Lock Screen and Password. This is where Redmi keeps lock screen controls. Once there, make sure you are using the phone owner account so options aren't hidden. You may see a Control Center entry or a shortcut settings link. Tap that. If prompted, enter your PIN or fingerprint to access advanced lock screen permissions. Since changing lock screen behavior requires authentication to prevent accidental or unauthorized changes. Once inside lock screen settings, locate the Control Center or Control Center on lock screen option. Different MIUI versions label it slightly differently. You will see a single toggle. Turn it off to prevent swiping down for Control Center when the phone is locked. Make sure to also inspect Quick Ball and Notification Access because those can mimic Control Center functions. If options are grouped, expand Advanced Settings to reveal the exact switch and confirm the change visually by locking the phone. You finish by locking the device and testing whether the Control Center opens. Try swiping from the top to confirm it's disabled. If it still appears, make sure the change saved, then restart the phone to apply system-level setting updates. If restarting doesn't help, check for MIUI system updates and install them because firmware bugs can block setting behavior. Finally, reset lock screen preferences in settings or perform a settings reset, only as a last resort after backing up important data.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.